What really makes a company sustainable? Is it just about planting trees or using less plastic? Actually, it goes much deeper. It's about how a company treats the planet, its people, and how it's managed. And that's where ESG comes in. Welcome back to BizCase Studio, where we turn business concepts into simple, real world learning. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important ideas in sustainable investing, ESG. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. These are the three big areas investors look at when judging whether a company is truly sustainable. Let's break it down. E is for environmental, that is, how the company impacts the planet. Think of carbon emissions, energy use, waste, and climate action. S is for social, that is, how it treats people, employees, customers, and communities. This includes diversity, human rights, and worker safety. G is for governance, how the company is run. Is leadership transparent? Are decisions ethical? Is the board accountable? Why investors use ESG? It is because it helps them see risks and opportunities that traditional numbers might miss. For example, a company polluting the environment might face future fines or bans. Another company with poor leadership might collapse under bad decisions. Strong ESG practices build trust and in the long term can lead to better performance. Let's take a real world example, Tesla. On the environmental side, Tesla scores high. They're pushing electric cars and clean energy. But on the social front, they have faced criticism over factory working conditions. And under governance, Tesla has seen its shares of controversies around leadership and board control. So even a company doing great in one ESG pillar can face challenges in the others. Here's a common mistake. People often think ESG is just another form of ethical investing. But ESG isn't just about what feels right, it's about managing risk and building values. Big investors like BlackRock or Vanguard use ESG data to decide whether to put billions of dollars, not just to feel good, but to protect their investments. So, how is ESG used in real investing? Investors use ESG scores to compare companies. For example, they might avoid firms with poor environmental practices or governance scandals. There are also ESG focused funds like the MSCI ESG Index or the S&P 500 ESG that include only top rated companies. ESG is shaping where the money flows. Here's the key takeaway. ESG not just a buzzword, it's a practical framework. It helps investors reduce risk, encourage accountability, and make long term sustainable decisions. It turns sustainability from a nice idea into a smart business. Now, think about this. Can a company be really strong environmentally but still weak socially or in governance? How would that affect your trust as an investor? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. Let's open the discussion forum on this particular question. Thanks for watching this case study. Don't forget to subscribe because in our next video, we'll explore the actual tools and strategies investors use to build sustainable portfolios. See you there. Take care and Thank you.